All right. So, working on a nice fucking frame extension here. Ain't quite lined up perfect yet, but I'll get there. Just got it in to the neck piece, get that welded up, slid it into the frame. Just gotta finish lining her up, then I can weld it, and that should be good to go. Fucking one hell of a magnet. Yeah, these fucking frame extensions pretty nice. Slides right in there. Nice easy concept. Weld her up, should be fucking good to go. So get that on, get that pipe welded on. Got a nice fucking pull starter right here. Don't feel like spending 250 bucks, at least not yet. Just want to get this thing fucking up and running. So frame extension in progress, front end in progress. So I got a bw80 front end on it. Working on welding the steering stem out of the 70 forks, which I just cut out. I shaved the old weld off, pulled it right out of the piece of plate, and then surprisingly, when you cut the BW stem right off flush, and I took a flapper, got as close as I can to level, and it slides right into the old one. So I'm just gonna fucking weld it up. That should be fucking good to go. Figure I put the forks together so it'll kind of be straight. Might not be as, you know, the best and straight as most people want it, but this little fucking 70, it'll do. That's all I got, so that's what I'm working with. Just wanted to give a quick update, show you can do this shit in the garage. All I got's a little 140 welder, a vise, and a 4-inch fucking grinder, and some big fucking hammers. It'll get your job done. You know, it's definitely enough to make work. We'll see how it goes once I do get it together. Hopefully should be good. It looks good, so we'll see. Alright guys, just wanted to give you a little update on what's going on, what I'm doing, how I'm doing it. Been a little slow out here lately. I got a whole bunch of other shit I want to do, like this, but just can't afford to get parts right now, so I'm working on what I got sitting here. Got my engine for the ATC just sitting here. Just gonna swap all my tranny, all my lower end parts from that one into that one. Got a new crank up there. So we'll get there. Alright guys, have a good rest of the day.